Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 12th January 2022. In the international market, US markets are prepared for CPI data for today. Knight Research expects inflation in US to peak very soon, and December 2021's readings may give us a clue. US 10-year closed at 175 percentage points and 30-year at 2.08 percentage points on Tuesday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $83.83 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 80 to 84. Indian bond markets will face the heat when crude breaches $85 per barrel. In the currency market, dollar index is at 95.57. DXY's today's range 95.44 to 95.88. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 636. USD INR with a low of 74 closed at 73.91. Support at 73.40 and resistance at 73.80 does exist. Trading strategy for currency. Remember when Knight Fintech identified the INR consolidation near 76.20 range? After the weakness, we also were able to identify DXY weakness, making a case for stronger rupee. We now feel 73.30 might be a region where INR consolidates and may not strengthen further. As India and US CPI prints are due, we would like to watch for those numbers and then work again on our hypothesis. Do not take any open positions home today due to CPI data. In the domestic market, RBI has finally announced an auction for new benchmark on upcoming Friday. In when issued category, the 10-year got traded at 652. Short covering was seen in 610-2031 as new supply will cease now. 563-2026 closed at 593 versus 594, 1 basis points gain. 610-2031 closed at 657 versus 659, 2 basis points gain. 667-2035 closed at 704 versus 705, 1 basis point gain. Now, if we talk about yesterday, which is 11th January 2022's SDL auctions, let's look at the auction cutoffs. 3-year Gujarat at 577, 8-year Tamil Nadu at 704, 10-year Karnataka and Rajasthan at 714, UP at 715, 11-year Punjab at 717, 12-year Karnataka at 729, 13-year Karnataka at 731. Compared to last SDL auctions at 716 to 719, this time 10-year SDLs are now at 715. The current SDL GSEC spreads is 58 basis points. Knight Research still feels the SDL spreads can cross 70 basis points, especially before the budget for FY23 when all the traders are out of the market waiting for the budget. As far as the OIS curve goes, 1-year OIS 438 versus 439, 2-year OIS 491 versus 493, 5-year OIS is 557 versus 561. As US yields are stabilizing, 5-year OIS is now cooling off. Trading strategy. Wait for today's CPI to get a clue. RBI's new 10-year announcement may bring some cheer in the market and bring yields down. 610-2031 will lose its benchmark status, trading volume in 2 months. Knight's strategic buy 574-2026 at 603, which is now trading at 6%. We recommend hold for the position as we expect more upside. SDL buying has been fruitful, and now you can search for buyers in the secondary as well if you had any allotments. Trading range for 610-2031 654 to 659. Next support at 665. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.